climb inside the 2012 BMW 328i. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include power windows, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and more. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.